Schinderling out of Winnebago, Illinois. And outside of Rich Schinderling in the 99, in that 76 Monte Carlo from Beloit, Wisconsin, that is Trevor Robinson. As we get ready to go, Bargain Hunter Sportsman Racing. Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag! And where's Sportsman Racing? It's steering with an edge. Going out of turn 2. Smith holding on to second on the inside as Ware's trying to close that gap, and the fast lane is the outside here at the Rockford Speedway. As steering, hanging on to first. Chad Smith holding his line there in the 82 car in second. Ware third. Johnny Robinson fourth. Trevor Robinson fifth. And Rich Schinderling rounding out the field. As it's steering, here comes Smith on the inside of Ware. Robinson off the pace as the 799 of that 76 Monte Carlo, Trevor Robinson drops off just a little bit. As we are halfway into this Sportsman feature, or dash race. As it's steering, Ware, Smith, Robinson, Schinderling, and Robinson.
Steering still holding the pace. Howie Ware, he's won a dash right there. Chad Smith behind him. 1 to go.
Both the cars in first and second were feature winners as we ran double features for the Bargain Hunter Sportsman last Saturday night. Steering with feature 2 winner, Ware feature 1 winner. As they come around, it's going to be Josh Steering for the win. Howie Ware second, Chad Smith third, Johnny Robinson fourth, fifth, Rich Schinderling, and sixth, Trevor Robinson had to pull it into the pits. Hopefully we'll get his car figured out and be back out here for his heat race.
That is the first win for Josh Steering. As far as dashes, there's only been 3 dashes. Howie Ware, the 36, has a dash win, and the 96 of Garrett Fry also has a dash win.
I'd say Josh Steering's got to be very happy after winning the feature last Saturday night and the first race tonight, winning his first race, back-to-back wins. That's awesome. I tell you what, driving that 1986 Monte Carlo, Martindale Pinnacle Construction, L&D Coins, Mary's Place Custom Catering. Please give a warm welcome out of South Beloit, Illinois. It's... maybe he's going to get out. No, he's not. Give it up for Josh Steering.